In this video, we'll show you what to do if your MSI laptop is lagging and running extremely slow all of a sudden. To fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select Task Manager from the list. Now in the Task Manager window, what you need to do is go to the Startup Apps tab. Now here you should see a list of apps that are configured to run every time your MSI laptop turns on. Now if you have too many startup apps, they can not only increase the boot time but they can also slow down your PC considerably. What you need to do is select any unnecessary app from here and then click on this disable option to stop it. So do this for all the unnecessary apps that you see on the list. After that, head to the processes tab. Now here you need to find any apps that are using way too much RAM. So if you find any app like that, simply right click it and then click on end task. So this will close the app immediately and free up some RAM. Now if you see your browser using too much RAM and if you don't want to close it, what you can do is expand it and then find the tab that is using too much RAM. Once you find it, simply right click it and then select end task. So this will close only that specific tab and your browser will keep running smoothly. Next, what you need to do is open the settings app on your MSI laptop and go to the system tab. Now here go to power and battery. Now here select this power mode option and then set it to best performance. So select this option and set it to best performance. Now go back to the system tab, scroll down and then click on storage. Now make sure your MSI laptop is not running out of storage space. If it is, it may experience slowdowns randomly. So what you need to do is click on temporary files and then select all these checkboxes. Make sure to uncheck this downloads checkbox. Now click on remove files and then click on continue to confirm. So these will delete all the temporary cache files that your PC may have created over time. So it's completely safe to do. So make sure to try this. Next, what you need to do is head to the search menu and then type in adjust the appearance. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the power options window, select this adjust for best performance. Now hit apply followed by OK. Finally, head to the search menu again and then type in defragment. Now select the first result. Now select your system drive from here and then click on optimize. After this, your MSI laptop should run smoothly. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.